Just wanted to do a quick demo of this Princeton Chorus dual 10-inch stereo solid state amplifier, which can be had for $200 used. Just put a mod, well, I did a lot to it, but I put a mod reverb in there. You can look that up online. The number is 8EBC. It's model P-R mod 8EB2C1B reverb. I think it was $39. And it just made this amplifier so creamy sounding. This is a Gary Cetus's guitar. I bought it off Gary. Thanks, Gary. I mean, it's not even a Fender. You play a Fender guitar into this, it'll really sound great. It's got humbuckers in it, but I was just floored with how creamy it sounds. This is a cool thing I learned. You go from finish on the D. This guy on YouTube is like, so the idea is to bend this while simultaneously bending this to time to do that. Try it. You're like emulating a sound of a slide slide player. That's it. Just wanted to show. Not even using a pick. Dead flowers. And Maggie May. And I'm your captain. I'm your captain, Maggie May. Dead flowers. Tumbling dice. Thanks for watching, folks.